Hi everybody, this is your Louisa County, Virginia real estate market update for the month of June 2022. In the month of June, we saw 66 real estate closings here in Louisa County. The average sales price for those 66 deals that closed was almost $500,000. It was $495,000. As you'll hear in a minute, that's actually a pretty significant increase from last month. The average days on market for the properties that closed in Louisa County last month was 16, so it took those properties 16 days to go under contract. Now let's compare those numbers here in Louisa County to last month's numbers. So this month there were 66 deals that closed. Last month there were 70, so roughly the same, 4 less. This month the average was $495,000 in the sales price. Last month it was $458,000. So pretty significant, roughly 10% increase in the sales price for the closed deals from last month to this month. The days on market last month was exactly the same as this month, roughly 16 days on market. In Louisa County in the month of June, there were 52 deals went under contract, 52 new deals. Now compare that to last month, there were less than half of that in the month of May. Only 21 deals went under contract in Louisa last month. So a very significant increase in real estate business from last month to this month. Last month in Louisa County, 39 new listings, 39 new properties hit the market. The month before that in May, only 31 hit the market. So the inventory in Louisa County is continuing to get better and better. Today in Louisa County, there are 120 active listings, active homes for sale. A couple of months ago in mid-April, there were only 72. So there's been an increase in the last couple of months, almost twice as much inventory to choose from if you're a buyer here in Louisa County. A minute ago, I mentioned that the average sales price for deals that closed in Louisa County in the month of June 2022 was almost $500,000, $495,000. Let's compare that number to 1 year ago, June 2021. In June 2021, the average sales price for homes that closed was $389,000. So a very significant increase, again, roughly 25% increase from a year ago in property values here in Louisa County. So if you're a property owner here in Louisa County and you're thinking about selling, as you can probably see now, it is still a fantastic time to sell. Properties are still selling very fast, roughly 16 days on average to go under contract, and the sales prices have increased by almost $130,000 on average in just the last year. So still a fantastic time to sell. Don't wait too long. The Fed has said they're going to continue raising interest rates to cool inflation that's happening in the United States right now. And what that's probably going to do is going to cool your buyer interest, your buyer activity here in Louisa County. So there'll be fewer buyers out looking for properties. So if you're thinking about selling, good time to do it, but do it soon. If you're thinking about buying property in Louisa County, good time to do it as well. Mainly a good time to do it because the inventory has increased so significantly. There are almost twice as many homes to choose from in Louisa County now as there were a few months ago. But just like with the sellers, I would go ahead and do it soon because your interest rate on your home loans is continuing to increase more and more. What does that mean for you? Well, if you're thinking about buying, every time the interest rate goes up, your monthly payment is going to be more expensive. So the longer you wait, the price tag is going to go up. But they're predicting home prices, home values, again, is going to continue to go up for the next 3 or 4 years. So if you were to get into a home, say, today at $200,000, in 3 or 4 years, there's a good chance it'll be worth $250,000 or $300,000. So you'll make that money in your property value appreciation. You'll gain equity in your property the sooner that you can get into it. And if you simply own property in Louisa County, not thinking about selling it, not thinking about buying any, if you just own property, then you're in a really good spot because your property value has probably appreciated. It's probably increased to the tune of 20 to 25% in the last 12 months. So you're doing great. You've probably picked up a bunch of new equity in your home. My name is Grayson Hoffman. I'm a real estate agent with the Ashley Hoffman Group. We are based right here in Louisa County. We are Louisa County residents. Thank you for your time. We'll see you next month.